Hello and welcome to my channel, All Things with Elle. Today I will be sharing with you a quick and easy sponge cake recipe. This light and airy textured sponge cake is perfect for afternoon tea or any family occasion. Ingredients are 250 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of granulated sugar, 100 grams of butter, 90 ml of milk, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Line cake tin with baking parchment. Next, preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Beat the eggs and vanilla extract in. Until the mixture is thick, pale and tripled in volume. Now cream butter and sugar together until pale and fluffy. In a bowl, mix baking powder and flour together. Then, sieve the flour mixture over the butter mixture. And mix until just combined. Gently fold in the beaten eggs. Add the milk and mix until the mixture is even. Spoon the mixture into cake tin. And bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Until the sponge is risen and golden. Or until a fork or skewer inserted into the middle of the cake comes out clean. Leave to cool in the tin for a few minutes. Then, peel off the baking parchment and gently turn the cake out onto a flat plate to cool further. So this is how I make my sponge cake, and it comes out perfect every time.